friends, it's me again, Mahika, and today I will be teaching you how to make a banana. It will be looking like this on your hook. So you will be needing 10 yellow rubber bands, 2 brown rubber bands, so altogether 12 rubber bands. And you will be needing your hook. So let's get started. So you will take 1 brown rubber band, loop it 3 times, so you will see 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. And then you will take 2 yellow rubber bands, hook it to your hook like that, and push the rest of the brown on. Just gonna push it on like that. Then you will just pull this down, put that over. And then that's how you start your banana. Then you will take 3 yellow rubber bands, hook it onto your hook like that, and pull all of these on, the rest of your stuff on your hook. And then you're just gonna pull that back and put that over. And then just pull this brown rubber band like that, and that's how you start your banana, or start your middle part of the banana. And then you will be taking 3 yellow rubber bands. I'm just gonna take them, hook them on like that, and pull or push them on to the yellow. Push that down, put that over. And that's how it's supposed to be. The middle of the banana is usually big or fat, and then the tips are usually thin. So then you will take your last 2 yellow rubber bands and pull the rest onto it. And push, put that over. And then you pull this brown part. And then we're almost done with our banana. So you will take your brown, you know what to do, put that on the hook. Slip that on. Like that. And then you just put that on like that. And that's how you make your banana, except there's one last part, a slip knot. So you will take the second part of your brown, this one, take that off the hook, like off, and then you pull, and then that's the end of your banana. You see how it's curved? You'll see it. It's curved like that, and hump. That's how you make a cute little banana. So I told you they were easy or simple, like that. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and like down below, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.